Monita, how's your day? It's great. Monita, this is Pipit. She is a new classmate. Hi Pipit, nice to meet you.
Hi Monita, nice to meet you too.
What is our next use subject after the school break, Monita? It is science with Pak Rami. We will learn at the science laboratory.
Oh really? Where is the science laboratory?
It's next to the library. We can go there together.
Okay, thank you Monita. I just can't wait to study with Pak Romi. Hey, see you next time. Goodbye.